and the height of cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume of the solid in terms of the pi. In this question, a hemisphere is given and a cone is surmounted on it. The radius of the hemisphere and the radius and the height of the cone is given equal. Also it is given the radius of the hemisphere and the radius of cone is equal to 1 centimeter. We have to find here the total volume of this solid. So we have written here radius of cone equal to radius of the hemisphere equal to 1 centimeter. It is given in the question. And the height of the cone is equal to the radius of the cone, and as you see here radius of cone is 1 centimeter, therefore it will equal to h equal to also 1 centimeter. The total volume of the solid equal to volume of the hemisphere plus volume of the cone. The volume of the hemisphere equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube, because the volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and for the hemisphere it will be the half of the total volume of the sphere, so it comes 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of the cone. Volume of the cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, where h is the height of the cone and r is the radius of the cone. Here in the question it is given the volume of the solid should be in the terms of pi. Therefore, we will not put here the value of pi as 22 by 7. So it is written as it is 2 by 3 pi, and in the place of r we put here 1 centimeter, and in the place of s also it is put 1 centimeter. Putting all this value we get in terms of pi 2 by 3 pi plus pi by 3, and the unit of volume is centimeter cube if all the measurements are given in the centimeter. So it comes 3 pi by 3 equal to pi centimeter cube. This will be the total volume of the solid.